Hey, Emma, is this seat taken?
Hey, Alex. No, it's not. You can sit here.
Thanks. I like sitting in the middle. You can see the board clearly without feeling too close.
Same here. The middle is perfect. Sitting up front makes me feel like the teacher's watching me all the time.
Exactly. So, how's your day going?
Not bad. We got our math test results today. How about you?
Oh yeah, I got my results too. I did really well in A.
That's awesome. Congrats, Alex. How do you feel?
Honestly, it feels amazing. All the late night studying finally paid off. What about you?
I wish I could say the same. I got a C, and I'm kind of disappointed.
Don't be too hard on yourself. A C isn't failing. What happened?
I think I underestimated how tricky the questions would be. I need to study more next time.
You'll do better. It's all about practice. When I got a bad grade in science last semester, I thought I'd never recover. But I did.
Really? What did you do to improve?
I asked for help from the teacher and joined a study group. It made a big difference.
That's a good idea. I've never really joined a study group before, but it could help me stay motivated.
For sure. Do you ever worry about getting bad grades often?
Sometimes. If I don't improve, I might lose my scholarship. It's stressful.
That's tough. The pressure is real, but I believe in you. You're smart. You just need a better strategy.
Thanks, Alex. I really appreciate that. What about you? Are you worried about anything like that?
Not really, but I know if I fail too many times, I could be kicked out of the program. It's scary to think about.
Yeah, that's a serious risk. The school's rules are pretty strict.
Definitely. That's why I'm trying to keep my grades up. Speaking of grades, do you reward yourself when you get a good score?
Sometimes. If I do well, I treat myself to a movie or a dessert. What about you?
Same. After this A, I'm definitely getting pizza tonight.
That sounds awesome. You deserve it.
Thanks. So, what's your plan for improving in math?
I'm going to review my notes more often and try some practice tests. And I think I'll join that study group like you suggested.
Great plan. If you need help, just let me know.
Thanks, Alex. You're a good friend.
No problem. Well, class is about to start. Let's try to focus today.
Definitely. See you after class.
See you later, Emma.